HVAC, firefighting and plumbing, all these services, how to installation and execution of all these things. And I did this project for Blue Star Company in Hyderabad. And later, after completion of my BE, I achieved a goal like something like this. I have achieved my BE degree in distinction, and I got a free admission in UK for my higher education for MBA. And I worked in one of this company in Hamleys for 5 years in UK. My technical skills are I am good at MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint also. Using Excel, I used to prepare my daily schedules, day by day reports using MS Office, like MS Word. And AutoCAD, I know how to operate AutoCAD for drawings and all these things. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Walaikum
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Mukhtar, somewhat confidence should be there. Okay.
Okay.
Next time, please. Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, my name
Proceed,
is
sir.
Sayyid Umar. Can I, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, please.
Okay. First of all, ma'am, thank you for giving me this great opportunities. Myself, Sayyid Umar. Coming to my education's qualifications, right now I'm doing Masters of Engineering in MJ, and have done my graduations in Bachelor of Engineering from ISL Engineering College in Electronic and Communications Engineering, and I have secured 70%, 72% in B with an, and I have done my intermediates in Navachetanya Junior College. And coming to my family backgrounds, we are having 3 members in the families: me, my brothers, my mothers, and my dad. And ma'am, coming to my the short term goals, I want
Yes.
I'm looking for a job in which we get a job in reputed companies. And coming to my the long term goals, I need to improve to achieve a good positions where I can build my careers and help the organizations too. So that's all of me. Thanks again for giving me such a great opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Proceed. You can proceed.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Muhammad Amir. My father name is Mr. Muhammad Rashid. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my MBA recently. Yesterday I got result and I have passed with first division. And my specialized subject is IT. I am specialized subject is IT. I am from Hyderabad. Uh, I'm from Hyderabad. My long-term goal is I want to become a manager or team leader in reputed company, and my short-term goal is to join a IT company and work hard for it. That's it.
Okay, next.
Hello, madam.
Yes, Wali.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead. Go ahead, Mr. Samara.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Mr. Syed. Sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for introduce myself. My name is Syed Muzammil. I'm from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical. I have 6 months of experience in data mining as a research analyst in VC Nada's company. My short-term goal is to get a job in IT industry, and my long-term goal is to hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
That's
sir.
that's all about me.
Strength, weakness, your hobbies. Please add this thing, okay? For tomorrow's
Okay,
class, please
okay.
follow this template I have shared in the group. Today also I will share this template. Please, according to this template, you just prepare the points. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
focus on your experience and achievement and ambition. Okay.
Okay.
So please, and conclusion should be there also. Okay. It's just prepare this introduction thing in a very professional manner. Okay. So you are the professional, you are looking for good opportunity in the professional field of IT industry. Okay. So be professional and try to work. If you work, you can. Yesterday also, your guest lecturer said you have to do work. Okay, you have to practice. You have to take efforts. You have to prepare yourself for the interview. Okay, so daily think that you have these mock interviews. In this session, second session, English communication, you have mock interviews daily. So here, 2 months, okay, 15 days over. Now you have more 20, more days, 2.5 months still is there. So daily we are doing mock interviews, okay. So one day you will, with very confidently, very effectively, in very professional manner, you will give your interview first round, okay. So please go ahead next. You can
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
how you
Assalamu
are
alaikum.
saying, okay. According to that, you just prepare yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Can I
Next,
start, ma'am?
please.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am? Hello. Ma'am,
I am
can I
audible?
start?
Yes, yes. Proceed,
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Usman.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. First of all, I'd like to thank for giving me the opportunity. I am Usman Ali, born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have completed my master's in communication engineering, and I have 9 years of professional experience, out of which I have worked 6 years in academics as an assistant professor. I feel honored and privileged to have guided numerous students in achieving their academic qualifications and career prospectus. My strengths are I have excellent public speaking skills, mentoring and counseling skills. Besides this, I am well versed in software tools like Microsoft Office and basic networking skills. I have a desire to make a career in cybersecurity domain, and also I have a long-term goal to start up an IT solutions company wherein I can contribute to my field of study and society. My strength is my confidence and optimistic approach towards the happenings in my life. And my weakness is I'm a very emotional person. And my hobbies are learning new skills and technologies, reading technology articles on web, and maintaining a perfect physical and mental health. To conclude, I am very thankful to all for your patient hearing, and I look forward to hear a response from your side. Thank you.
Great. Yes. So everybody try to do this. If you are working, one day you will come up with a good introduction. Okay. MashaAllah, good, great. Next. Please, next. Yes, next, please. Sheikh Fayaz, Mr. Sheikh Fayaz, Mr. Salman, Mr. Rehan Khan, Mr. Azim. Yes.
Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, um, yes, Salman. Good afternoon, madam, and to everybody. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Muhammad Salman. I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad, and I stay in Golconda 4. I have completed my current education status is that I completed graduation, and I took BCom computer course. And I completed my degree during pandemic COVID-19 from Usmania University. I'm specialized in commerce and accounting field. And my strength is that I'm hard worker and problem solver and quick learner and mentor also. Hello, are you? Hello. If, hello. Is it audible? Hello.
Very
Am I
nice.
audible?
Good.
Yeah.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. No, I think
Yes, you
I
can
can
continue,
yes.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my
Yes,
weakness.
you are going good. Yes,
My weakness is that I go in.
you are on the right path.
My weakness is that I go unnecessary in depth of any matter, and I'm trying to come up with this weakness by not going in depth of any unnecessary matter. Only like on straight point. Like I have to do any work, only necessary points I will take taking it so that I can save time and I can manage it also. And my father is working in private sector and my mother is a housewife. And the hobbies is like same, playing cricket and watching football and reading memes and reading educational matters and books also.
Yes,
And and my achievement is that one remarkable
nice to
achievement
hear from your side. Good, mashallah.
and my yeah, thank you, ma'am. And my achievement, remarkable achievement is that when I was in 10th standard, I received an excellent student award from the FGHMC mayor. That was my remarkable memory and achievement also. That's all about me. Thank you once again to all of you. Thank you, madam.
Okay, mashallah, good. Yes,
Thank you.
nice, very nice. Okay. Don't take any
Good,
break.
af-
Okay, next, please proceed.
good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Azimuddin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BE from Osmania University. We have published a paper in IEEE conference, that is our major project paper. My strength is hardworking and my weakness is easy trusting issues. My hobbies are reading books, swimming. That's all about me. Thank you once.
Very short, just you add, please, next time you add your experience and experience. If you have experience at that
No,
point,
ma'am, I am a fresher.
fresher. So you can add your achievements, okay? Most
Okay, ma'am.
important
Inshallah, next.
is see your template, okay? If you are fresher, you add your projects, okay, and your achievement at your course level, school level, or college level. Most important thing to identify the person, how he is capable enough. By your previous experiences, previous achievements, one can understand that how capable that person is, okay? So please keep in
Okay,
mind,
ma'am.
present this academic project and achievements. It's very necessary, compulsory. Okay, next, please. Next, please, next. 15 participants, okay? So only I heard from only 5 members. Remaining 10. Mr. Rehan Khan, please. Mr. S. Kumar, only short. They have taken initiatives and they have given. Daily you have to give. This is the mock interviews. Please.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Okay, sir. Proceed.
Like in your previous sessions, you have said that we have to make such group of friends with whom we can speak in English, and we can try to be more and more in the English environment. So
Yes.
do we have any app or something, ma'am, wherein we can interact with that app and we can increase our communication skill? Any such online resource?
Cake app is there. Cake, I think so. Cake.
Okay, so
Cake
with that
one
app,
is.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
No, I was asking that, ma'am. So that we can, like whatever our views are there, ideas are there, So if sometimes we could not get any thread or something to. So if we can interact with that app, and if it's interactive, do we have some resource like this? I was asking.
Yeah, understand that. I will share in the group regarding that apps to improve your communication skill and your fluency.
Yes,
Also, you have to upgrade your fluency, English fluency. Okay,
yes,
so
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
will share in the group how to practice the things. Okay, inshallah.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
so yes, so you're thinking about how to do the practice, how to do the preparation. That's why he's asking. So everyone, are you working really to achieve your goal? Please come up with your queries. Please come up with your queries. Okay, if you are working, you'll get query. If you're really preparing, you just give your time. Smart, be smart. Okay, shall we stop here, or can I hear from others also? Introduction part. Can I hear from only 1 or 2 sentences? Please come up. Already 15 days left. Already we have covered, okay? Mr. S. Kumar, please. Just introduction. You have not given yet. Okay, please, Mr. Rehan Khan and S. Kumar. And Mr. Muhammad. These 3 people, please. Mr. Rehan Khan or Mr. Muhammad and S. Kumar. Only two lines. Please. Okay, shall I start with this one? Conversation.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will start with the, yes, anyone?
Yes, we can start it, ma'am.
Okay, conversation between so you should monologue. Conversation should be monologue, means it should not be monologue, means 2 persons are conversing. Okay, one should be a good listener and one is speaker and a listener. 2 person between conversation. Okay, so and it should not be a monologue. Give others to speak out. Okay, so give others to speak out. And 10 rules of a great conversationalist. We have seen respect and talk on genuine, interesting subject. Okay, respect others. Okay, and sharing 50. Once you have spoken, give others to speak out. Okay, ask purposeful questions. Give and take. Embrace differences while building on commonalities. Okay, don't indulge ourselves in argument and debates. It should be a conversation. Positive, be positive, focus on positive points, don't be negative. So because I am focusing in this because we are doing this conversation activity. Okay, how you will end up this conversation politely by using this 5 ways. You can say, nice chatting with you, well done, it's getting late, anyway I should get going. And you can say, it's nice pleasure to meet you, like it was a nice chatting with you, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but actually I have to go. Okay, so these are the different ways to end the conversation politely. Okay, I will start this activity, conversation starter. Okay, in ESL is English speaking language. So how to improve your English speaking language using different activities. Okay, so I have to improve English speaking language. 10 activities I have selected. One of the activities, conversation starter. How you will start your conversation. Suppose some situations are there. Based on that situation, how you will start your conversation. Let us start 2 persons conversing, like conversation on, we have done previously one topic. So I will share the screen. Let us start with this. Okay. You just Any topic, conversation on any topic like travel or work? Anybody? Suppose I will say, wait.
Ma'am, you want us to speak on some topic for some time, or like any
Yes,
topic?
yes. Yeah. Small talk.
Okay, ma'am.
On travel, work. These are the options you have. Travel, work, weather, life.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So first of all, thank you for the opportunity. I want to talk on work. Okay. See, basically the work
Okay.
work is actually just like a worship, and everybody has to realize that, you know, by working you are keeping your mental and physical health perfectly. And you know, every human being is born with certain responsibility, you know. Like there is a responsibility of a mother, there is a responsibility of a father, there is a responsibility of a child. Likewise, there is a responsibility of a student, and there is a responsibility of an individual. All this, you know, if we act responsible, if we, you know, if we like have a sense of responsibility, we will try to work. And you know, in order to indulge in anything, there has to be, you know, some outcome of it. So you know, since we have joined this module, and we are actually going through, so if we come up with, you know, if we actually interact, and if we actually try to take maximum out of it, when we actually practice, when we actually work, when we actually give our time to it. So you know, by proper working and by proper your time and devotion, you'll definitely come up with something very good that you are looking for. This is something, you know, this is not exactly about the work, but you know, something related to work. I got this point in my mind. Thank you.
Yes. Really good. Yes. It's about work. Anybody, please, on any work, time, weather, travel, work, life.
Yes, I will say about life, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Everybody who is living in this earth is leading his life. But if we talk about the human beings, it is not very easy. We have many problems and struggles, but the life must go on. Like we have some beautiful aspects which give us hope and positive, like our family, relatives, friends, who make our life special and make it feel about the specialty of our life. Thank you.
Okay, good. Next, anybody? Yes, anybody, please? Small talk, please. Small talk. In interview also, they will give you 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You have to speak out. Please. Actually, I'm using other laptop. My laptop not working properly because of no power. It is not charged. It's required charging. So I'm using other laptop. So that file is in that laptop only. So I'm not able to get that. So please, conversation, small talk, you just involve yourself. The same persons they are doing. Okay. Please, others, Mr. Muzammin, others, please. Small talk, it's an activity of small talk. I have given options: work, weather, life, travel.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
This
Yes.
is regarding the keep a healthy life. For healthy,
Yes, please.
small talk on healthy life. For healthy life, we should do regular exercises.
fine.
We should keep our track on our daily diet and exercise, what we are doing. We avoid to go when we should not take junk foods and all these things. In this pandemic situation, especially, we should boost our energy by taking healthy, hygienic food. And we should use mask and sanitizers, washing hands, and all these simple things. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Yes, others, please. You have a chance to speak out, please. Then I will move towards other activity. Okay, conversation. Shall we proceed for conversation activity? Here we have the few questions. Okay, first impressions. Do you like to meet new people or do you prefer to spend time with friends you already know? So can we have this conversation? This is the first question. Do you like to meet new people or do you prefer to spend time with friends and you already know? Okay, we will not involve ourselves, indulge in a debate. Okay, debate or argument. Okay, be positive and have a conversation. Okay, on this question, do you like to meet new people or do you, and follow the conversation rules also? Okay, please proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Start the conversation. Other will go
Okay,
be a good if one is speaking. Okay, good. Start.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I like meeting new people, and I like making new friends. You know that's the way that we can we will get to know the culture, and we'll get to know the behavior, and we can exchange our thoughts, and we can exchange the views, and that is what is the requirement of the present day. You have to be have a habit of you have to be interactive. You should be able to communicate effectively with others, and you should be able to present your ideas in the best possible way. So that's only possible when you meet new people, when you interact with the new people, when you try to make new friends, and when you have an effective speaking and presentation skills. That's the only way you can make an impression on the people. So it's a mandatory and an essential requirement of an effective communicator able to make new friends.
Good, nice. And others, please come up. Please, one by one, come up. Do you like to meet new people? Or do you prefer to use? One by one, very quickly. We are professionals, okay? Be quick, on time. आप पहले, no need. Please share your views. Yes, Mr. Hear from your side, Mr. I'm being ready for meeting friends. Best platform here in this technology era is web, using web, isn't it? In this technological era, best platform for meeting friends is web.
ma'am.
Isn't
Online.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Online. Yes. And what are the best ways to make a good first impression? Giving your best introduction is the best good first introduction. That is. Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are able to see you.
Please, please. These are the very good questions. It's a professional questions. Okay. So best ways to make a good first impression. How can you make your first impression? Best way. Mr. Usman, you have shared your views on this because in between your voice got broken.
I think.
Proper voice.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Do you want me to speak again, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Yes, I like to meet the new friends, and I like spending time with my the friends who I know earlier as well. So usually, in this pandemic era, in this pandemic time, it's always recommendable that you meet your friends on web. The people are busy with their lives, and we often don't get time to meet in person. So thanks to the internet and this new day technologies, so with this we can meet the friends remotely by online or a video call. Alternatively, we can make a schedule with your close friends and with your that like your alumni, we can meet them on the weekends at some meeting spot or something. So and the best way to express ourselves is to be very natural. Usually when we come across various people, they try to be very like structured way, they try to present ourselves. So I think if you have it actually comes with the flow of thoughts. Okay, you keep your thoughts natural, you try to be natural, and then you try to represent yourself as you are. We try to exaggerate the things, and we try to present ourselves in a different way. So I think whether you are with your friends or with the new people, you try to be natural, and you try to be the person you are actually. So that is the way you can make an you can present yourself to the others, and that's the way your first impression should be, according to me, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, one more thing I want to ask. In your friend circle, you want to have a talk of professional talk or like friend talk? Okay, professional talk every time whenever you are meeting friends.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
professional talk means about the
Yes,
current
ma'am.
current affairs
Yeah.
and technology, current
Yes.
technology.
Yes.
So means you are sharing your thoughts, you are sharing your knowledge. So try to involve yourself. Your friends should involve whenever friends are meeting. So please have a talk of this. Okay. So like this, you're sharing your thoughts, you're sharing your views on the technology, on the current affairs. So it will be good. Talking about more on the current affairs and facts, that is intellectual people will talk. Okay, proverb is there, I think so, on this. Talking about others, it's not a way of professional way. Okay, intellectual people talk about the facts.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So please try to talk about the facts. Share your views, your professional life.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the best way to make a good first impression? Anybody, please? You have added some points because already we have in introduction part, I have said that first impression is by giving your introduction, very strong introduction. Okay, this is the good first impression, giving your strong introduction. That is why we are focusing on introduction part. Make your introduction very strong. So can you find out what are the best ways to make a good first impression? Anybody, please? Mr. Riaz Ahmed, Mr. Mukhtar, Mr.
Yes.
Salman also, please.
I want to say about, ma'am, this one. Prefer to spend time with friends which we know. Like I prepared some points here. Like we will know that who can
Okay.
be harmful or who will be good or bad for us. Like we can trust to the old friends,
Mhm.
whereas for new people we cannot trust, and we'll be relaxed and motivated. Like there is one sentence like old is gold. Like I have seen, ma'am, like many friends coming from inter engineering and school days. Inter and engineering friends will come and go, but the school friend will be remain till for long time. Yes,
Yes.
that's it.
Um, many people come and go there, but you should keep a impact on that, like by your way of talking, by your sharing the things. If you are every time everywhere, if you are very professional, don't be a person. Okay, in person, don't go in person, be professional. So in each, like in friend circle also, you feel like a friend only. Anybody you are with, anybody you are very friend, two friend. Okay, if you are, means be professional in each and everywhere, wherever you are going.
Yes.
What can I expect the best ways to make a good first impression? Please, this one I want, this point.
Best way is introduction only, sir. If we give a
Best
good
ways,
introduction to, then only we can leave a good impression. And and even I would like to meet new people. Best way is good communication. Good communication comes with confidence
yes, good.
and clear,
Points.
clear speaking what we are saying to them, what we are explaining. Because interacting with different people from different countries gives more experience. Their way of talking, their accent, their culture is different, and we can learn a lot from them.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. It's nice
Because
points.
when I was in Gulf countries, I used to interact with Filipino people, Bangladeshi, Malabari, and Arabic people. I have learned a lot from them. Their accent is totally different. The way we speak and the way they speak, same sentence but in different way.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
Yes.
Best way to make good first impression is like presenting ourselves correctly, ma'am. Like having a smile on our face, like not too big talk, not small talk, medium talk we have to say about ourselves, and we have to
Yes,
be
yes.
positive. And the last thing is we should maintain our time, and we should be honest. These are for
Yes, yes.
good first impression.
I say this, best communicator. Yes, best communicator and
Yes.
best converse for making your impression good. Best communicator and best conversationalist. Make it short. Your introduction part, you want to, if you make your introduction very strong, what are the points you want to add up? Focus. You are focusing on, if you want to make your introduction good, you should. Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I think if we can bring a positive change in anybody's life and and create the people's life easy, then we can achieve in our aim that to make a good first impression. Shall I repeat again?
Yeah. Your voice is breaking. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Repeat, please.
If we I think my view is that if we want to make a good first impression, then we should try to bring a positive change in anybody's life and create the people and try to make the
Good point.
people's life easy. So that we can make a good first impression.
Yes, please repeat. You are not audible.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. My view is that if you want to what my view is that if you want to make a good first impression, then we should try to bring a positive change in that person life, or bring the easiness in their life, so that we can make a good impression in their view or mind.
So
Mm,
be positive towards them. Don't
bring
feel that if
bring positive try to bring positive changes and create easiness in their life. Two main things I said.
okay.
Yeah, that's from my side. Thank you.
Here,
Okay, nice.
here I
Nice to
want
hear
to
from you.
here
Yes,
I
sir.
want to add one more point. Like first impression are crucial.
Yes, yes,
Like
please.
we can make or break an opportunity here.
Yes.
First impression. It depends on you. Want to, unless and until first to talk, okay, first person is how the person is, okay. After judging, you that is crucial. You said no, you can continue with that or you stop.
Okay.
So whether it could be, we don't know, but first impression should be good and be positive.
Yes,
Be positive
that's
means
important.
don't think that that person is not good, should not talk. So if you have this key, if you have keeping in this thing, this negative thing, you won't talk clearly. You won't talk like you will not give a impression towards that person if you have this thought
Yes,
in your mind. So
yes, that only,
for
ma'am. We can make or break an opportunity with that.
yes, good, yes. So be be clear that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said each and every person, okay. So we are also same like that. So why should we are saying that that person is good, that person is not good? So make him that in that way, in that manner. So that's why you are making a good impression. The other person can judge that how you are. So that is the most important thing of making the first impression good. If you are going for an interview, also you are in your personal gatherings everywhere. Anybody? Walaikum Assalam.
Ma'am, I would like to say few points about the meeting with old friends.
Okay.
Ma'am, first of all, time is very precious in everybody life. So it's easy to communicate with our old friends rather than the new people, new ones, because we know each other
Yeah, yeah.
education or career background, and we can
Good
go forward
points.
with our thoughts.
Yes. Yes, success and failure. Can we talk on this conversation, success and failure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can talk on this.
Yes. Success and failure. Anybody, you have these questions? Okay, describe a successful person. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak, ma'am, on this? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, you
Yes,
can carry on, please.
yes, ma'am. My voice is audible, right, ma'am?
Yes, audible now.
Yes. Like basically a successful person, nowadays, you can treat success on different parameters. Like some people usually have a notion that success comes with money and fame and an
Yeah,
impact on society. But to be very precise, this is what a lot of personality development trainers and a lot of NLP trainers do say. The successful person is one who is happy with what he's doing in his life. he and his family, like she or her family, has to be happy with, and we have to be happy within ourselves. Okay, sometimes the people are not, they are not earning so much, but they are happy with their job. They are happy with their the contribution to the society. So first of all, in order to make a successful person, we have to set a parameter for success. What is the thing that makes us successful, and what is the thing, what is the work by which we get a satisfaction. So that is very important. We have to set a parameter. Yes, ma'am. It's not audible, ma'am. My voice is not audible still.
Now it's audible. In between, it got interruption.
In between. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I think there is some problem in the net. Okay. And regarding this, this is what is first of all, when we talk of a successful
as you
person.
said, no, a successful person. As you said, third question is about that only. It depends person to person if you are there judging through money or your job satisfaction.
Yes, ma'am.
So those two factors are there for successful person.
Yes, ma'am.
Factors for money or job satisfaction.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, and the failure, about the failure, I want to say the failure is, the, like it's a saying, the failure is a stepping stone to success. And each time you get a failure, you get to learn new things. So we have to learn from our mistakes. We have to learn from our shortcomings. Okay, and when you look at the life of the various successful persons, and we look at the life of the various people who have made an impact on the society in a positive way. So if you see their history, and if you see their biography, and you'll come to know that they have come across several failures in their life, but they have never stopped at any of the failure, and they thought that these failures are making them strong and helping them to achieve and try out the innovative and new ways to come up with the successful idea, whatever they are. So always whenever we are doing something, or whenever we are making a career, or we are starting a business, we should not think about what will happen or what will be the outcome of it. We have to try our level best. We have to be determined. We have to do the proper homework. You have to meet the right people, interact with the right set of people, and then eventually, if you come across with the failure, so it's not a failure, it's actually a learning process. It's actually making you stronger, and from that failure you'll actually get a path towards the success. Thank you.
I have a couple of points to share for success and failure. Like success has some failure along the way, ma'am. Overnight, no one can become success. Like he want to become success, like he has to work. Success people will work from many like 5 years, 10 years. Then only they can become successful in their life. Like what we are doing something and achieving, that is a success. And if we are doing something and we are not achieving, that is a failure. Thank you.
Yes, actually, I think there is a problem in ma'am's internet as well. So go ahead, like others also can interact. So kindly go ahead. Others can also speak, inshallah. Go ahead, brothers.
Yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So yes, I think ma'am will join very shortly. In the meantime, others can also interact. I think ma'am is trying to get back.
Yeah. I'm back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yeah, I will repeat again.
Yeah.
Like I was saying about the success. Success has some failure along the way. Like overnight, no one can become success. Like it will take some years of time to become success.
Yeah.
Whereas in short sentence, we can say that doing something and achieving some goals, that is a success. Whereas failure, do something and they will not achieve the goals. Thank you.
Short term, then long term. For long term, you have to measure the things, and you have to see we have seen that mind map graph, that one. So how you are going to drop your goal in two context situation, or any situation or any context you will drop. your goal, that for the long term goal, not for the short term goal. Okay, isn't it? That is, you will say that that is a failure, not a failure because of the any situation or any contest. You you have not achieved that goal. That's why you are saying that you are failure. Okay.
Yes.
But just now one proverb said, Mr. Usman Ali. So for getting toward your, if you want to go towards your success, you have to take some failures. You will take lessons from that and you will proceed for the success. Yes.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
And one more thing, ma'am. This is regarding the success. Success comes from failure only. And success comes from, most of them, they said success comes from luck and job satisfaction also. Not only by money. And failure, stepping stone, as he said, is correct. And strong person is that who tries to overcome failure and converts failure to success. Getting success is like achieving goal. Daily practice gives us success also.
Yes, yes. Good. Very good point. Yes. Good. It is related to success and failure. It is related to your goal also.
Goal. This is the same, same like smart work, like
Yes,
specific,
yes.
measurable,
Yes.
achievable, realistic, and time bound.
Yes.
All these
Yes,
things
yes.
comes into picture again. The same things.
Okay. I have seen that Mr. Mukhtar, he is working on setting a goal and he is measuring himself according to the SMART. So everybody, please keep in your mind about the SMART. Every time you can achieve anything. You can achieve anything if you have this SMART every time in your mind, back of your mind. SMART. Please test this, implement this SMART. Okay, SMART. Be specific or simple, whatever the simple thing specified yourself, be relevant to that. And time bound, measurable. How you are going to attain that, how you are going to achieve that. Okay. Next, please, can I hear from others, please? I will continue till 4:45. It is okay for you, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
I want to share my views, ma'am, on this topic. Describe a successful person.
Yeah, yeah. Continue, please, sir.
Ma'am, I think that there is every person have a different criteria for this for describing their success, and as our topic is describe a successful person, then we cannot say that if a person is accumulated such a wealth, then he is a successful person or a failure. Different persons have different criteria for success, being called as a successful person in their own view. And if a person is what we can say, if a person is accomplished the criteria for a successful person in his own view, then we can say that he or she is a successful person.
Mm-hmm.
Shall I repeat again? You got it, everybody.
Yeah. I am very happy that you are doing, you are working, you are using vocabulary words, everything. Your sentences are good, nice. Okay, and repeat once again, please.
Thank you, ma'am. I want to share my views on this topic. Describe a successful person.
Yeah.
My view is that different every person have different criteria for judging their success or failure. As a topic is describe a successful person. If I think if a person if a person completed the criteria for judging himself as a successful person, then I think he or she is a successful person in their own criteria.
Yes.
That's it, ma'am.
Yes, and I want to say something about your pronunciation. Please concentrate on pronunciation criteria. That is a criteria. Okay. Some words are there. We have to take care about the pronunciations. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
don't like in IT industry they have the British language. Okay, British language.
Yes.
We have American and British language, two languages. So
Okay.
please concentrate this accent and this how to pronounce this
Yes,
word,
ma'am. Yes,
specific
ma'am.
words. So be professional. Don't look like you are speaking like Indian. Okay, some if you have that, you have to add some more things to make it good, to make it presentable. Okay, so
Okay.
focus on the pronunciation, fluency, everything. Okay, so please work, give your time on that. You can achieve it, you can attain it. Okay, inshallah. Next.
Tell them.
Thank
Good initiative, Salman. Mr. Salman, good, very nice.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, anybody, please. Yes, anybody? A success, failure? These are the topics. Can we proceed for other topics?
Oh,
Conspiracies and cover-ups. Can we go for this topic?
sure, for sure.
No. Tourism. Can we go for this tourism topic or science and medicine?
Ma'am, we can take any topic, ma'am. No problem.
Which
As
topic?
you say. Any topic, ma'am, as you say. Like,
Okay, we'll go for this. Productivity is good for us. Okay, according to our mission of this one. What our according to our mission, this topic is good. Productivity. How you can give productivity means result.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, to
Yes.
attain the goal, to achieve the goal, that is a productivity. How are you a very motivated person, or do you wait until the last minute to do things? Do you think smartphones increase or decrease productivity? This is very good topics. Okay, here we have uh, 10 questions. Okay,
Yes,
7
ma'am.
questions we have. So what is the biggest waste of time for you? What are some things you want to do but don't have time for? Who is
Yes.
the most productive person you know personally? How about really productive famous people? Very good topic. Okay, this is questions also good.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, anybody? Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Select 2 questions, write on that and say it. Select 2 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you a very motivated person, or do you wait until the last minute to do things? Second, do you think smartphones increase or decrease productivity? Third question, how can people improve their productivity? Very good question. Do you think people today work harder than their parents? Who is the most productive person you know personally? How about really productive famous people? What is the biggest waste time for you? What are some things you want but don't have time for? Do people today work harder than their parents? Today, people are working with the machines. Parents, they have worked without machines, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are working on machine and they have not used machines. Without machines, they have used. So we are not hard workers. We should be smart. We should do to get the productivity. We should be smart. If we are smart enough, we can get the product in any field. Productivity will be there if we are smart enough. No need of hardship. What is the most productive person you know personally, and how about really productive famous people? Biggest waste of time for you?
Famous person is Ambani, Reliance.
Yes.
He he's the prime. He has
Yes.
undertaken control of prime minister. That's it.
Dhirubhai Ambani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So are you really learning everybody by seeing them? Ambani Group?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes.
He knows where to pin and how to do the work.
Biggest waste time of this era?
Biggest waste time of this era is the free data services and internet web. and the improper usage of smartphones.
Yes. Yeah, misuse of this smartphone. But
Yes.
For each and everything, advantages and disadvantages. If we go with the advantage, it is useful for us. If you are going with the disadvantage, wasting your time with hangout with the movies, videos, that is the waste of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I have some 4 points,
Utilization
ma'am.
of anything. Yes, sir. Proceed.
Yeah. For biggest waste of time, ma'am, according to me, these are points, ma'am. Like we will talk about our emotions, but there is no solution.
Yes,
if
good.
you are saying our emotions, then the other person will enjoy, but we have no solutions.
Yes.
Like
Very
the second thing is, like, we will argue for sake of winning, not for not for understanding. For winning, we will argue whether we are right or wrong. For winning, we will argue. Like we know our life, to whom we have to stay, but we will choose the wrong person, and we make the wrong person as a friend. That is the biggest waste of time. And the last is, like, every time we will try to impress others. Like reality will not be like that. That is a waste of time. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. And one smartphone increase or decrease productivity?
Like, ma'am, we have advantages and disadvantages. Like
really
in lockdown,
it increases.
Person you know personally, how about really?
Increases productivity.
Yes, we are using smartphone, to learn all these things, ma'am.
For smart people, smartphone increases productivity.
Yes.
Those who are not smart, they will decrease the productivity.
Yes, ma'am. True.
First question, are you a very motivated person, or do you wait until the last minute to do things? Please say on this question. This is very good question. Are you a very motivated person, or do you wait until the last minute to do things? Most of the people, they will do like this only. Isn't it? I am correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please overcome this. Overcome this.
We have to stay motivated by
Wait
ourselves.
for a last moment, last minute. Yes, say yes.
So ma'am, usually we have to stay motivated ourselves. Like, in this era, we have to make sure that every time it should not be like, somebody has to be after after our head, or
Yes.
to motivate us, or to say us, to guide us, or to show us the right path. So this is an era of technology, and this is an era of innovation. So we have to make sure that we have to keep ourselves motivated.
Everything is like transparent. Transparency
Yes,
is there.
yes, ma'am.
Competition is more. You can see the competition. Transparency is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So by seeing this competition and transparency, even you are not motivating your things, you are not smart enough.
Yes, ma'am.
So make yourself smart enough to and motivate yourself and try to achieve the goal. First start with the smart goal, then go for long goal.
Yes, ma'am.
Short-term goal, then long-term goal.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, inshallah.
Next, please, on this, anybody, please. Very good topics here, conversation. Mr. Syed Muzammil, please. Mr. Rehan Khan. Smartphones increase or decrease productivity? Biggest waste of time for you?
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir, please.
Smartphone actually, it depends on increase or decrease the productivity, but it actually depends on the user, what we do on the smartphone.
Yeah. Yes, you are correct, sir.
We are all in this group. We are on a smartphone doing this course.
Yes.
And we improve the productivity, I think. But most of the time we do on internet, waste of time on watching movie, spend lots of time on Facebook, Instagram, other things. That's why also productivity is down. It depends on user how to use a smartphone, and that's all.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Very good points. Thank you for sharing your views. Okay, next, please. Mr. Rehan Khan, please. 5 minutes more still, okay? Stay tuned till 5 minutes and share your views, please. Mr. Syed Umar Ali, please. Can I hear from your side? My request is only Muhammad is seeing, okay? Just shortcut your name like in small letters. So I can ask you like Muhammad Rehan Khan, please come up with your views. Very good topics. Only 5 minutes more, please.
Smartphones are more productive because with the smartphones nowadays we are using operating television, ACs, and all these things. Everything is going on smartphone only.
Yeah.
So we should know the good things and new techniques through smartphones, and we can learn from smartphone everything. No need of going anywhere.
Yeah. So if you are a smart user, you can increase your productivity, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yes. Next, please. Conversation, please, about the most productive person you know personally. How about really productive, famous people? Please, next few minutes more. Just will end the conversation. productivity conversation in next few minutes. Okay, so please continue.
I would like to speak about smartphones. Smartphones are very increasing productivity. According to Google, before 2017, smartphones were increasing. From 2017 to 2020, the smartphones are decreasing. More increased productivity. More increasing productivity. So the smartphones are basically needed thing in daily life now. And the smartphones makes our work done in easily and have disadvantage and advantage also. The advantages are some type, but I would like to speak about disadvantage. The disadvantage is phone. Sometimes some phones may heat up and blow up and blow up laptop, blow up laptop. And sometimes through screen, children get attached to a smartphone.
Okay, clear from your side, Mr. Muhammad. Good to know about your views. Okay, next, who else want to share views on this productivity, please? Mr. Syed Umar Ali, please.
Productivity.
Yes, Mr. Syed Umar Ali. Okay, I will stop this session, today's session. Okay, inshallah, I will share the things what I have discussed today in the group. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, fine. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।